12 reasons why service providers should publish a book. There are many reasons why a service provider needs to publish a book. Publishing a book isn't easy, but it is not as difficult as many people think. You don't have to get a big publisher to show off your knowledge. You can self-publish and attract a wide audience if you plan ahead. You might ask yourself, why publish a book? Authors tend to have a certain status and level of respect in society. Authors are able to show off their creativity as fiction writers, and service providers should publish a book for the following reasons. Expertise. As soon as you are a published author, you set yourself above the other providers in your niche or industry. Accomplishment. Not everyone can write a book. Having one with your name on it is a symbol of what you have accomplished. Gaining instant authority. A non-fiction author is seen as an expert in their field. This means they have many more opportunities to show off what they know. This also means more chances to lure clients because you will be seen as offering more value than service providers who are not published authors. How about more money? Chances are you will be able to charge more for your services as a result of the media coverage you will get in relation to your book. Use your book as a calling card. You can use excerpts from your book or the book itself as a way to get your foot in the door with top clients you would really like to work with. Add links to your book on your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is the most trusted social network because it does not allow people to hide behind the cloak of anonymity. Link to your book and you will stand out from other people in your niche. Add a stream of revenue. Social media and other forms of marketing can also help you make book sales. Get more consultancy work. You don't always have to offer a full service to clients. You can become a consultant too, offering your expert advice. If you're seen as someone in the know with your finger on the pulse of your industry, you could have the chance to work with many high-paying clients. Get media attention. Once you have published your book, issue a press release about it. The media attention you get could significantly extend the reach of your brand and business. Speak in public. Groups and businesses are always looking for good public speakers with something interesting to say. For example, your local Chamber of Commerce will make all the arrangements. It's a great way to network with prospective clients and also give you the chance to sell and sign your book. Book signings. Book signings are a great way to boost your profile and sell more books at the same time. If you're a good speaker, other opportunities will arise, including a chance to work with the local media. Help a reporter out. Harrow. Harrow is a great way to get media attention, which in turn can lead to more clients. Offering to be an expert with whom they can consult is sure to raise your profile.